Okay, I'm starting video number 2 where I left off on video number 1. This is where the camera made it. We could see the grease on the top of the pipe, the white substance. So this actually will have a vent stack over here, and the camera can't get through it. It's so jam-packed at this point. So it definitely needs washed out, re-inspected, replaced as needed, or lined. But that goes with all of this pipe, but usually the next step is jetting. But we do have a restriction in here. Now the water is making it through from the kitchen, but it is very restricted, and that would also restrict the ventilation, and you need the air to help it flow. So I wanted to start off by wrapping up our first video of the domestic drain line upstream from the clean out to that furthest point. Everything is flushing and moving at this time, so that's the end of the discussion on the inside. We know what to do next. Clean it up, jet it. Now this is a deep sewer line outside. You can tell from the clean out several feet down. Right here is where it terminates. The reason I went into here, this is clay out here, and this is where the customer's responsibility ends, because this is the county property. But I marked it here so our rain and whatnot don't get rid of this. So I'm gonna clean that off and do a better mark right there where we've located where this clay line terminates. Now we got an issue here I'm going to show you on the camera. Where they put in this new PVC line from the clean out to here, it transitions into clay pipe, and at that point you can see the pipe kind of slipped. You can see the indentation on the ground, so you know where it is, approximately 2 feet up of the sidewalk. This is where you were to dig up if you corrected this problem. Now this problem is not showing, probably because that cast iron that is so scaly on the inside is slowing the stuff down. If that were cleaned out, this one may show more of a problem at that point, but it does have a lip, and it may indeed get worse. So if you have water standing in the clean out ever and we're wondering what's blocking it, almost certainly it will be right here where I marked this. So that's important to know, and I'm going to show that to you, and I'm going to try to clean that up and repaint this for you so you have a permanent mark of it, okay? Just as another point that I like to give you in case anything falls out, okay? From this first one in the driveway, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th section of sidewalk, right after it, here. So 5 and a little bit, and you'll be at this spot. But like I said, I'll try to mark this a little bit better for you so you know there's a lot of dirt right there.